Welcome to this step-by-step guide on adding padding, margins and separators in WordPress. In this tutorial you will learn how to access your WordPress account, navigate the site editor, add a creative block, upload an image, and adjust the dimensions and spacing of your content. We will also cover how to insert a decorative separator so that your website design appears neat and organized. Begin by launching your web browser and navigating to WordPress. When the homepage loads, locate the login option found in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on the login option will prompt you to sign into your account. Notice how the interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even new users can quickly find the login area. After clicking login, you will be presented with the option to continue using your preferred Google account. Select the option that says continue with Google, and then choose the account you wish to use from the list provided. This streamlined sign-in process helps protect your site by leveraging secure account credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, your next focus will be on navigating to the Quick Links area. Within Quick Links, you will find an Edit Site option. By clicking on Edit Site, you open the WordPress site editor. This is the control center for editing your website, where you can add and adjust various elements to create a dynamic online presence. Inside the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner where you will see an icon represented by a plus symbol. Clicking this icon displays the block options available for adding content to your page. From these options, find and select the cover block. The cover block is a versatile element that allows you to combine images and text for a visually engaging section on your site. After adding the cover block, move on to uploading an image. Locate the upload image option and choose an image from your files. The image you choose will serve as the background for the cover block, setting the tone for the content you display. Make sure the image is of high quality and matches the overall aesthetic you are aiming for on your website. Next, look toward the top right corner of the editor where you will find the settings panel. Click on this panel to access a range of customization options. Within this panel, select the Style tab to uncover further styling choices. The Style tab is where you can modify elements such as font, color, and other visual properties to ensure consistency with your brand or design theme. Within the Style tab, search for a section labeled Dimensions. This section is key to adjusting the padding, margins, spacing, and even the ratio of your cover block. Experiment with these settings to fine-tune the distances between elements and create a more balanced layout. Adjusting these dimensions can dramatically improve both the visual appeal and readability of your site content. Finally, if you decide that you want to add a visual break or separator in your page layout, click on the plus icon once again. In the search field that appears, type separator. Selecting separator will insert a clean dividing line into your content, providing a clear visual break between sections and enhancing the overall structure of your page. By following these instructions, you have learned how to log into WordPress, access the site editor, add a cover block, upload an image, adjust the style settings and dimensions for padding and margins, and finally insert a separator. These steps provide you with a solid foundation for customizing your website's layout and creating a more engaging experience for your visitors.